Hello and welcome to SolidWorks beginner exercise number 1. So in today's video we'll be looking at how to design this flanged part. So what you're looking at here is the 2D drawing and the dimensions that we will be following to design this part. What I would suggest is you go ahead and create this part by yourself, and once you're done, come back to the tutorial to see if you have done it the same way or you have done it differently. Without further ado, let's jump into the design. What you're looking at here is the 3D model that you will be ending up with if you follow this tutorial along. Now let's go ahead and create it. To create this part, go to New, click on Part, and then click on OK. Select the front plane and go to Sketch. Create a center line and then start sketching around the center line. Something that would look like that. So just not necessarily the exact shape, you can just design something similar to these. Close your loop. Once you get this grayish area, then you're good to go and you're good to add in dimensions. So these are the dimensions that we'll be adding. Now let's go ahead and add them. So let's start from here. The external diameter is actually 90 and the overall length is 90 as well. This distance is 75. If you get this kind of issues while you're designing, you can just click and drag the sketch and you don't have to worry about it so much. This is 24, this is 30, and the internal diameter should be 30 as well. The external diameter here should be 50 and this diameter should be 38 and this diameter should be 40. So now we're done. We have a fully defined sketch. Let's go ahead and go to Feature and go to Revolve Boss. So once you're done, click on OK and you should get a similar shape to these, right? So now let's go ahead and add in the fillets. So we have external fillets all over our parts. Let's go to Fillet, and the dimension of the fillet that we have is 1.5, and then start clicking on the edges where the fillets would be. This is it. Once you're good, click on OK and you should be good to go. We have one extra chamfer here. Let's go ahead and add it. Go to chamfer, click on this edge here, and the dimension that we have is 3 by 45 degrees. Once you're good, click on OK, select this face and go to Hole Wizard. Click on hole drill size and the dimension should be 12.5. So make it through all and go to position. Just add in a position like this. Let's go ahead and add in a center line. Make it coincident to our point. The dimension that we have is 65 divided by 2. So we have 32.5, that's the dimension. Once you're good, click on OK. And there we got our fourth hole. Let's go ahead and create the rest. To create the rest, go to Pattern, Circular Pattern, select the hole and go to Direction and click on this edge. So it should be 4 by 360 degrees. So this is our part. Now let's go ahead and change the background, make it white, probably adding better appearance. Let's go to Metal, Steel, and let's go to Polished Steel. So this was our part. I hope you like it and see you in the next one.